is an outboard engine shipped down by one of our customers from the US. He actually shipped 2 of this, and it was loaded into container coming from Atlanta. Yes guys, so even your bulky items, the items you use for business to manufacture things over here, you can have them shipped down from US. You can get quality items you can use here in Nigeria. Do not think about the volume or the size of the item. We will bring it down for you. As you can see, ShipToNaija shipped this down, and trust me, it was affordable. It was really affordable for the customer to have brought down 2 of this weight. It was affordable. ShipToNaija is as good as taking it there yourself. You can see the packaging of this. We did the proper packaging on this item to make sure it is delivered to the customer same condition it was dropped off at our warehouse in Atlanta. Guys, this is the second one. It's still being taken down with our forklifts. Second item, guys, the second outboard. Now we have 2 of this.